information tonight on nursing homes here in North Alabama connected to coronavirus. We learned 25 residents at Signature Healthcare of Whitesburg Gardens tested positive in the last 2 weeks for coronavirus. Since March 9th, 9 have died from the virus. And it's not the only senior home dealing with a spike of cases. As the WAAY 31I team first reported, there are more than 24 active coronavirus cases at the Tutphan State Veterans Home. WAAY 31 Sydney Martin joins us live in Huntsville tonight. She asked local health leaders about what can be done to stop the spread of the virus in these homes. Sydney.
Naja, Dr. Pam Hudson, the CEO of Crestwood Hospital, told me there is a major concern for nursing homes because the population that lives inside of them is older and also high risk. But she told me without locking all the staff inside, it's going to be nearly impossible to stop the spread of the virus. Now, as we mentioned, 75 residents have tested positive at Whitesburg Gardens Senior Home in Huntsville since the pandemic started, and 25 of those cases are from the past 2 weeks. 14 of those are from the past 24 hours, but that's also when the state released results from another backlog of cases. Among the staff, the faculty says there have been 28 positive tests, 8 in the past 2 weeks and 5 in the past 24 hours. Now, Tutphan also has 26 active cases currently and told us 7 people have died. 4 of those have had coronavirus at some point, but the cause of death for all 7 is under investigation. Now, 2 employees at Tutphan also recently died. One of those employees was diagnosed with coronavirus 6 weeks prior to their death. The state VA told us all of those deaths are under investigation by the Alabama Department of Public Health. Dr. Pam Hudson said in these homes, it's hard to separate residents and stop the spread.
Where people live in close communication no matter what you do. So we have now congregate living of people who aren't related, aren't family groups, but yet they are in a place where there is continued contact, perhaps with healthcare workers, other team members that provide care and food and supply to those groups. It is nearly impossible to keep everyone out.
Now, Hudson told me since many of those senior homes are doing more testing than they were in March when the pandemic started, it appears that there are more cases, but she believes that is because of the increase in testing inside of those homes. Live in Huntsville, Sydney Martin, WAAY 31 News.